Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Yoli Mayer.
Yoli.
Okay, and what are you going to be doing here today?
I'm going to be singing
Okay, and how long have you been doing that for?
since I was 2 years old.
And how old are you?
I'm 21.
Really?
Yes.
Well, listen, good luck.
Thank you.
She's gonna be amazing, I have a feeling.
I put a spell on you. Because you're mine.
This isn't working for me. Because this is feeling very old-fashioned, you know, and with the cocktail dress and everything else. You're 21 years old?
Yes.
Keep it young.
You have a second song?
Make it rain.
Yoli, I want this to persuade us that you are a great recording artist. Okay?
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you.
She needs to be 21, then it's too...
I
I
get
feel
it.
more comfortable now anyways. Thank you.
Okay? Here we go.
When the sins of my father weigh down in my soul, and the pain of my mother will not let me go. Though I know there can be fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. Oh, and even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh, make it rain, make it rain, oh, make it rain, oh, make it rain.
Hi, it's Tai Tai, and thanks for watching AGT online and on TV. Continue to watch more talent right now, and don't forget to subscribe.